When the hours are long, when lighting wants you and needs you up at 4:30 a.m. to get the best shot, and the rain stops your roll right after you're set up. You roll to the airport at 4 a.m., make your flight, and learn that you won't make your connection, and the weather changes tomorrow. Your window is blown. When you rewrite the narrative and edit the film 17 times only to want to scrap it all and put it all back together again. When the $50 million job you did, wrote up, and filmed did not pay the bill. When your credit cards are maxed to the extreme. And when your crew is acting like children. When finding the real story of the truth to produce the winning argument for your client is cruel and difficult. When you drop a $10,000 drone in the ocean and have a thief steal a DSLR the same day. When you are tired, sick, and into fog, with hours of work left to do. When nobody knows what you did to make it happen. And when you don't like the product that you created, even when others say they love it. When you just got home and you're back out the door in 13 hours. When the federal subpoena shows up, even though you lack the focus to work on the demand. This is the truth of the grind, even if nobody loved the work. Even if you never got a report that what you did solved the problem for the client. Even if you didn't get paid again. The truth is, you would still do it. You do it because the Creator in you will not rest. You do it because even in the worst of times, it is an adventure. You do it because you have to up your game. You do it because this is who you are.